there. Hey, do you have trouble finding somewhere to hang your pictures or your pin-ups? You know, you're not allowed to ruin the wallpaper, can't pin them up on the paintwork or the furniture. Why not try hanging them on the fridge in one of these? A fridge frame. Come and have a look at this. Take a piece of paper, whatever size you normally use, and place it onto a piece of cardboard box card or cereal box card and just draw around it. Now you'll notice I'm using pencil for this, so it's a good idea to use pencil with this sort of thing so that you can make any adjustments as you go in if you make any mistakes. And I'm just drawing a rough guide to the shape of my fridge frame, and there it is. Now the idea is to build up the design of your fridge frame with that line running through the centre of your design, and you must make your design at least 1 centimetre either side of that line. I'll show you what I mean. Now, I'm going to start here by putting in my name. You can do that, you don't have to do it, but I always think it's good to let people know whose artwork it really is. And I'm doing a nice big chunky end there, and you notice it's at least 1 centimetre either side of that line. Another very important thing is to make sure that all of the parts of your design are touching, because otherwise when you come to cut it out, obviously it would all fall apart. I'll just put the L in there like that, and then you can build up your design with whatever you like. And you know what I like? Food. So okay, I think what I'll do is I'll start by putting a nice big sloppy ice cream in there like that, dripping all over the place. And you know my favourite type of ice cream? You know those ones with the chocolate in. And something else I like a lot, football. So I'm going to do a football in this corner here. Again, I'm just doing it very roughly with the pencil as a guide. I'm making sure it goes at least 1 centimetre either side of the line. I think what I'll do is I'll do a football scarf down there, again, making sure 1 centimetre either side of that line. And then build up the whole of your design in exactly the same way as I've done this. And you want to see my design? When I finished it, it looked like that. And see what I've done here? I've put some art materials in the bottom here, for Art Attack, of course, up the top there. And it's always a good idea at this stage to just check that your fridge frame design is at least a ruler thick all the way around, so it's nice and chunky. Otherwise, if it's too flimsy, it'll fall apart when you cut it out. And I've just spotted a bit there. It's got a bit of a gap in it, so continuing the theme of food, and I'll just draw a sweet in there like that. And I think just in this corner, that's a bit thin there, I'll just draw a cake. I'm always thinking of my stomach, me. So when you're happy with your design, colour it in. You can colour it in using poster paints, acrylic paints, or markers, or crayons, whatever you like. And I'm just going to slop on some of this poster paint here to show you a nice purple colour. And it's a good idea to make nice, bold, bright colours. Just trying to keep it inside the line. Don't have to be too neat at this stage. And finish painting or colouring in your design, you can always just trim off those bits where you go over the lines when you come to cut it out. Do the whole of the design in the same way, colour it in, and then cut this middle bit out and this outside bit, so you have something that looks like that. Hey presto, a fridge frame. And I think that looks absolutely brilliant. And you can see what I've done with it here. I've even gone around the detail in black marker just to pick it out and just to make it look a lot more bold and cartoon-like. And then just turn your frame over. And you need some of these. Now, you can buy these from do-it-yourself stores or hardware stores. Recognise them? Yeah, of course. They are fridge magnets. And depending on the size, they're between 30 and 40p. You need 2 big ones for the top corners of your fridge frame, and you need to glue them on. Or you could take 3 smaller ones and glue 2 in the top corners and 1 at the bottom like that. But you need enough to take the weight of your frame. And don't forget, when you do glue them down, make sure it's magnetic side up. You could always test them on the fridge first. And then you use your fridge frame to trap your artwork. Look at that. And I think that looks brilliant. It's not exactly artwork, but that's an important message that I mustn't forget. And then it's just a case of hanging it up on your fridge, and you'll be a hero in your house because you'll save the paintwork, the wallpaper and the furniture. And there it is. And you could even do a smaller one to frame photographs. Try it yourself, a fridge frame.
Watch out! It's the head here. That is a cool art attack. Fantastically functional fridge frames. And they're easy to make. Just make sure that your frame is nice and chunky. And don't forget to test your magnets first so that you glue them to your frame the right way round. Otherwise, that happens.